Hi, I'm James from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to install your tier-on-tier plantation shutters. First, carefully unpack your shutter boxes and lay all the contents out on a smooth, flat surface, including the components box. Each frame will be labelled for easy identification. In this example, ours are marked L for left, R for right, B for bottom and T for top. Remove the cover strips from each frame section using a flat-headed screwdriver, taking care not to damage the edges. Next, measure and mark the drill hole positions. Mark 75mm in from each chamfered edge, plus one or more holes in the centre of each frame piece depending on the length. On the left and right frames, offset the central hole slightly so it doesn't interfere with the T-post later. Once the holes are marked, drill through each one using a 4mm drill bit, ensuring you drill completely through the frame. Now assemble the frame outside of the recess so you can place it into the opening as a complete unit. You may need another pair of hands to help here. Use the Hoffman keys to secure each corner firmly together. With the outer frame built, bring the T-post into position and match it to the corresponding frame pieces. Ours here are labelled L. Align the T-post with the pre-drilled hole at the front of the frame, not the insert strip. Using two 80mm screws, drill through the front frame hole and into the T-post to secure it firmly in place. Next, place the fully assembled frame into the recess and check that it sits level using a spirit level. Adjust with packers as necessary to achieve a perfectly level fit. Ensure the frame and panel will sit clear of any obstructions such as window handles or keys. Once positioned correctly, mark through the side frame holes, left and right only, onto the recess. Remove the frame, then drill and plug the marked side holes in the recess. Place the frame back into position, align the holes and reinsert any packers. Recheck the level, then secure the frame by drilling through the left and right side holes into the wall plugs. Now it's time to fit the shutter panels. Start by attaching the non-astrogel panel first in each section. The astrogel is a lip that overlaps the middle of the shutter. Align the hinges and insert the hinge pins, starting with the top hinge pin and then the bottom. Repeat this process for all four panels to complete both tiers. Once fitted, close the panels to check alignment. If adjustments are needed, slightly loosen the hinge screws to make the fine adjustments, or you can use hinge packers to raise or lower panels. Simply loosen the hinge screws halfway, slide a packer behind the hinge and then retighten the screws securely. When satisfied with the alignment, fit the small middle hinge screw to lock everything in place. Next, fit the cover strips. Start with the bottom cover strip, pressing it firmly into place. Then hold a side cover strip in position and mark it directly in the centre of the T-post. Cut the cover at this point so that the two pieces go at each side of the T-post. To fit the side cover strips, push the bottom side cover strip upwards into place. Then for the top side sections, push the strips downwards to secure them. Finally, seal around the shutter frame using cork or silicone. Cork is suitable for most rooms, but silicone may be preferable for moisture-prone areas such as bathrooms. Your shutters also come with adhesive screw covers to conceal any exposed screws if desired. Please note that these screws are for slat tensioning, which may need to be accessed over time for adjustment. And there you have it, your tier-on-tier plantation shutters installed and working perfectly.